and thanks for taking the time to find out a little more about the Jaguar XE. Lean and sporty, the Jaguar XE has a style and attitude which differentiates it from others in its class. Styled with classic Jaguar proportions, passenger cabins set back behind a lengthened, sculpted bonnet, flared wheel arches, the Jaguar XE has a powerful stance and an unmistakable presence. The recent redesign of the exterior and interior has brought this sports saloon right up to date, and it continues to deliver the most engaging drive in the sector. Sporty without being overly firm, the definition of a Jaguar ride. Because premium LED headlights are standard across the range, the unit itself is much smaller, and the signature LED daytime running lights assert your presence on the road. The headlights will automatically dip their main beam when they detect other traffic. The optional matrix LED lights go one better, creating a cone of shadow around other road users so as not to dazzle them, but maintaining full beam illumination everywhere else for unsurpassed nighttime vision. The cabin has been extensively redesigned, incorporating Jaguar's Sport Shift gear selector and 10-inch infotainment screen. The Pivi Pro navigation system is always on, powered by a separate battery to ensure it is ready to accept commands as soon as the driver enters the cabin. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the integration of your phone can be taken further with the dedicated app, which allows remote lock and unlock, export of journey logs to an Excel spreadsheet, and remote start, which allows the XE to securely de-ice and warm itself up ready for departure in winter, and cool itself down before you get in for your comfort in summer. Wireless phone charging has been built into the center console. This is a comfortable, luxurious cabin designed around the driver and filled with tactile materials, from the standard grained leather seats to the cool metal of the chrome detailing. Front and rear parking sensors are standard, and 3D surround cameras provide simulated views around the vehicle for unrivaled visibility and confidence when maneuvering. And for the ultimate in visibility, the optional ClearSight rear view mirror uses a camera mounted on the rooftop antenna to give a perfect view that will not be obscured by tall passengers or large loads. Taking the car on road, it manages to differentiate itself further, consistently delivering the most engaging drive in the sector. Sporty without being overly firm, the definition of a Jaguar ride. There is just the right amount of feedback through the wheel to inform you as a driver without becoming jarring, and enough traction that only the most enthusiastic driver will experience the torque vectoring system automatically tightening their line through a corner, enhancing the agility of the car by applying the brakes to individual wheels. Many sports saloons control body roll by fitting a very stiff suspension. Jaguars use front wishbone and rear integral multi-link, which can allow more movement without sacrificing traction to deliver a great dynamic drive. And that doesn't stop when conditions take a turn for the worse. Winter settings take full advantage of Land Rover's experience to make the most of whatever traction is available and keep you in control. Equipment-wise, all models have leather interiors with power-adjustable heated front seats, heated front screen, navigation, cruise control, climate control, and an 8-speed automatic gearbox, ensuring you're always in the right gear to exploit the torque of the engine. Traffic sign recognition constantly displays the speed limit for the road. Moving up to the SE model adds power folding mirrors, keyless entry, and connected navigation, as well as replacing the standard dials with an interactive driver display which can be customized to your preference. Blind spot assist and rear traffic monitor look out for traffic in adjacent lanes and alert you if a car is heading to overtake. The range-topping HSE increases the wheel size from 18-inch up to 19-inch, adds an electrically adjustable steering column, and 3 memory settings for seat and mirror positions, useful when you're sharing the car with another driver. The interior gets smooth Windsor leather and a second touchscreen. The stereo is upgraded to a 400-watt 10-speaker Meridian system. Adaptive cruise control uses radar to match the speed of the car in front, slowing all the way down to a stop if necessary for relaxed motorway driving, and stress-free control in stop-start traffic. Our dynamic models emphasize the XE's sporty character, with modified front and rear bumpers and diamond-turned wheels on the outside, and an ebony headlining, sport seats, metal R-dynamic tread plates, and satin chrome gear shift paddles inside the cabin. Thank you for spending a little time getting to know more about the Jaguar XE. Further information can be found on the Jaguar website or YouTube channel.